Hi there, it's Fraser Chesterman, FuturePrintTV, and I'm recording a couple of episodes with Domino and HSG Packaging, just to share with you some really interesting reasons why digital print for packaging is so effective. And episode 2 will be with Packhelp, who are one of the big customers that they're working with, and this company in particular focus on-demand packaging. We hope you enjoy them. Hi there, it's Fraser Chesterman, FuturePrint, and I'm very pleased to have with me Maciej, who is from Packhelp, who are one of HSG's customers based in Poland. We're going to find out a little bit more about what they do with HSG, and perhaps Maciej will be able to explain a little bit about the business and why digital represents such an important thing.
Hi, my name is Maciej Zacac, and I'm co-founder of Packhelp. Packhelp is a packaging platform that was actually launched back in 2015. That Packhelp was actually built upon a notion of supporting the customers with the same packaging experience that is only available to the biggest players on the market. When we actually started the company, we had this idea that whenever you are a small operating out-of-home business or a little bit bigger company, you can just go into our website, choose a packaging product, and with just a few clicks, you are able to order that packaging and get it delivered to your doors without actually any additional tooling costs, startup costs, or pre-investment that you need to do to actually have it. And this is where the digital printing technology came actually to save us. We are all digital guys. We all come from technology backgrounds. And we got this idea that, packaging is also a critical marketing channel for all, I would say new age businesses that actually are emerging on the market. So I was introduced to HSG and Domino technology some time ago when I was actually looking for I would say more cost efficient and fast, but at the same time, high quality wise technology that would allow me also to support my UK customers with not only the lowest quantities, but also try to be able to move the volumes supported by digital printing technology into the higher segments, to be actually able to compete with the efficiency of Flexo or Offset. The cost efficiency of Domino technology comes also with the lower usage of ink. It comes also with the lower usage of electricity when it comes to drying the inks and everything that comes with it. And that in general comes with the lower CO2 emission of the whole packaging, whole packaging flow. Especially now when ESG reporting becomes a part of the financial reporting of all the companies, I think it becomes a crucial element to find the most sustainable technologies that are on the market. So I think that just fits perfectly the trends that are actually happening right now on the market. Back in 2015, I think the initial idea we had was, how about we allow all of these small businesses, like a Soho base, really often without the access to the storage or the access to the funds to actually buy hundreds of thousands of packaging or just freeze the capital to do it. The harder part at the time in 2015, to be honest, was how we actually going to produce a 30 pieces of the packaging product, be able to give our customers at least a similar commercial that you would get ordering a couple thousand pieces of the same product.
So thanks very much to Domino and to HSG Packaging for putting these 2 episodes together. We hope it's given you a little bit of insight into digital print for packaging and the massive amount of benefits that you can get from using digital print when you deliver packaging solutions. We also are really grateful to Packhelp, who've shown us a little bit of insight into on-demand packaging and the way they operate using HSG's machine here. Thank you for your time and look forward to catching up with you soon at FuturePrint TV.